is Boracay Sunset. So, maglalakad-lakad tayo until we get to Andox and then doon tayo kakain ng dinner and then we'll just wait for the sunset.
Andox is somewhere in Station 3 by the beach. Ganyan yung lights niya kapag gabi. So, this is the menu.
It's kinda hot. Pawisan talaga ako. We're here at the shiny Royal Andox. So that's is our view as we hintay na lang natin yung food kasi 15 minutes na yung serving time nila. So see you later. Bye.
Finding Andox is something not intentional. I just walked by the beach and then I saw it and then went inside. Ang binili ko is 140 yung meal. So that's the view. You have the chicken, the rice gravy, at may kasama siyang soft drinks. Tada!
So right now we're gonna try the meal sa Andox and we have the chicken, the rice, at may kasama siya soft drinks. It's 140. Subukan na natin. Juicy. A bit saltier than Jollibee.
140 is really sulit. Sobrang busog ka na niyan. And masarap pa. But more than the meal, ang panalo ay yung view. Kasi you eat by Station 3. It's literally, pag tungtong mo dun sa labas ng Andox beach na, ganun siya. At wala, it's so serene, it's so peaceful with meal. Ano pang hinihintay mo? I hope nag-enjoy kayo and nagutom. Tara na sa Andox, sa Bora!